Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Shopify for social media marketing. First, we will go to Marketing. Next, we will create campaign and click Social Post. Then go to Shopify App Store. Now we will see the different Shopify marketing tool we can use to market our social media. So for now, we will just click TikTok. Then click Open Up. And set up now. So now we can use our TikTok business account to market our online business. And that's how you use Shopify for social media marketing. So if you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.